And you as Christians and Muslims, people of God, I want to discourage you from one danger. This is the danger of Pontius Pilate. I don't know whether you can call it Pontius Pilatism. You see, Pontius Pilate was a governor, and they brought Jesus to condemn him. But Pontius Pilate said, but I don't see anything wrong with this man. But the crowd insisted, no, cheap popularity. The crowd said, no, he must be hanged. Now, this Pontius Pilate man was a coward. So instead of saying, no, I don't agree, he said, you take this man, I wash my blood, you hang him. Now, me, I'm not Pontius Pilate. I cannot condone a wrong because people are shouting. No. If I'm not convinced you can do what you want, I will not do it. Because I'm not working for you, I'm not working for anybody. I'm working first and foremost for somebody else, some higher authority. So therefore, I think our society will be better if we really have godliness within us. It will be, it is much better. It's not a theory, it is something that I have seen. Because we have been living through danger for the last 50 years, fighting, doing this, but always bearing in mind about the avoiding of evil. And at some stage we shall write details.